So this unit's at temperature. It's just the drain line's iced still on the inside. But these people were touching the thermostat, so you know it's getting too cold. But it looks like this drain line could be cut a little bit to bring this down, and it could drain out the water. The evaporator drain pan is iced up. Cut that, bring this down for it to properly drain. So now it's properly draining. Cut the hose to bring it down for the water to drain out properly.
Four banister.
So 29 degrees.
That one right there.
Beer cooler. These people want to be touching the thermostat, so they like to play with it. So gotta adjust it a little warmer. Turn it on. Cut that drain. So now it's gonna actually drain out. See, it's already freezing up the water.